Hello class, through this video we will discuss how does a promoter make his company for incorporation. After completing the formalities, he makes an application for the incorporation of the company. The application for registration must be accompanied with certain documents. We have discussed some documents earlier, like the memorandum of association, article of associations, but here are some documents which have to be filled again. These are the 8 documents, namely written here. First one, the memorandum of association, article of association, written consent of the proposed directors to act as directors with undertaking to purchase qualification shares, agreement if any with the proposed managing director or manager, a company of the registrar's letter approving the name of the company, then statutory declarations. After this, a company of the registered address proof of the company. The promoter has to be submitted before the registrar of the company along with these applications of incorporation, and then documentary evidence of payment of registration's fee. So one by one we will discuss today. Here first one, the memorandum of association, duly stamped, signed and witnessed. In case of public company, at least 7 members must sign it. For a private company, however, the signatures of 2 members are sufficient. The article of association duly stamped and witnessed as in case of the memorandum, as stated earlier. A company, public company, may adopt a model set of articles given in the Companies Act. Next documents, the name of the proposed directors whose written consents and along with the qualification shares which is purchased by the directors. After this, if any type of agreement with the proposed managing directors, managers or whole-time directors, if have the agreement, then it is attached with this application. And At the time of memorandum of associations, for the naming of the companies, the approval of the company's name by the registrar, a copy of this certificate is attached here. Later this, there is a need of statutory declarations affirming that all legal requirements for registrations have been complied within. This must be signed by an advocate of a high court or Supreme Court or signatory to the memorandum of associations or a chartered accountant or company secretary in whole time practice in India. Next one, a copy of the registered address proof of the company may also be submitted along with these applications. At the time of incorporation, it can be submitted within 30 days of the receipt of the certificate of incorporation. And at last, documentary evidence of payment of registration fee. The submission of these applications along with the required documents, which is satisfied that the documents are in order and that all the statutory requirements regarding the registration have been complied with. When the registrar is satisfied about the completion of formalities for registration, a certificate of incorporation is issued to the company, which signifies the birth of the company, and hence the certificate of incorporation is also called the birth certificate of the company. With effect from November 1, 2000, the Registrar of Companies allots a CIN, Corporate Index Identity Number, means corporate identity number, to the company. Now in next video, we will discuss the capital subscriptions for a company formations. Thank you.